Oh, oh, I'm building this house on the moon like a lost astronaut, looking at you like a star from a place the world forgot. And there's nothing that I can do